Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in the previous class, we learned how to find equivalent fractions. Now, everyone open page number 37. See, Mahesh mom packed two pieces of Mysore pack for his birthday. Mahesh shared one piece with his friend Kaushik. Each divided their piece into equal parts. So, Kaushik took two parts from his piece, and while Mahesh took four parts from his piece, but they both took the same amount of the Mysore pak. How is this possible? Okay, children. So here Mahesh mom packed one Mysore pack no, and both of them divided into equal parts. But here Kaushik get how many parts? Two parts from his piece. తన మైసూర్ పాక్ నుంచి టూ పీసెస్ తీసుకున్నాడు అండ్ మహేష్ టుక్ ఫోర్ పార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ హిస్ పీస్ బట్ ది బోత్ టుక్ ది సేమ్ అమౌంట్ ఓకే బోత్ టుక్ ది సేమ్ అమౌంట్ చిల్డ్రన్ వీ లర్న్డ్ వాట్ మీన్స్ ఈక్వలెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ same parts of a whole no okay here the both of them get same piece same amount of Mysore pak. How is this possible? See in figure 2 show each Mysore pak is divided such that Kaushik 2 pieces are equal, then Mahesh 4 pieces. Okay, here you have to divide these pieces like how we have to divide Kaushik 2 pieces is equal to Mahesh 4 pieces. Okay, you have to divide like that. So means how we have to draw, children? So here you have to divide this Mysore pak into 4 equal parts. Okay, you have to divide this into 4 equal parts, and here you have to divide this into 8 equal parts. Okay, here you have to first one divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, divide into 4 equal parts, and the second you have to divide it into 8 equal parts. Okay, 8 equal parts. So now in that if you divide 4 and here if you divide 8 no children, so after that you have to color 2. So here you have to color 2 parts. Okay, in this Mysore pak you have to color 2 parts, and in this Mysore pak you have to color 4 parts. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children, you have to divide like this 4 equal parts and 8 equal parts. Now in this you have to color 2 parts. Okay, whose Mysore pak it is? It is Kaushik's. So Kaushik took how many pieces? Kaushik got 2 pieces now. Now here these 2, and Mahesh 4 pieces. Now these 2 pieces are equal to these 4 pieces are not, children? Yes, here these 2 pieces are equal to these 4 pieces. So fraction of the Mysore pak taken by Kaushik. So Kaushik got how many pieces, children? 2 pieces out of 4, and Mahesh got 4 pieces out of 8. Okay, children, here the fractions are different, but each one got the same amount or not? Yes, you have to draw like this. In this you have to color these 2 parts, and in this 4 you have to, and in this 8 you have to color these 4 parts. Now, are they equivalent fractions? Yes. Explain your answers by using one of methods you have learnt. So in the before example we said no, children, these 2 are equivalent fractions. So how we are saying it is equivalent fraction? These 2 are equivalent fractions, children. So here the fractions are different but same amount now. So now we have to check, children, 4 by 8 is equivalent fraction of 2 by 4 or not. Okay, 2 by 4 into dash here which we have to multiply to get 4 by 8. Okay, we have to check here 4 by 8 is equivalent fraction of 2 by 4 or not. So how we have to check? So let us think, children, which number is multiplied by this will get 4 by 8. So first in 2 table you have to check, children. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Will get 4 by 8 or not, children? Yes, so these are equivalent fractions. Next, proper, improper and mixed fractions. Meena and Nitya have one apple each. Meena cuts her apple into 8 equal pieces and eats 3 pieces. Okay, Meena ate how many pieces? Out of 8, she ate 3 pieces. And Nitya cut 5 pieces and eats 2 pieces. So out of 5 pieces, how many pieces she ate? Only 2. So what can you say about the numerators and denominator of the two fractions, children? So here the numerator of two fractions is less than the denominator. Am I correct? Yes, here right. The numerator of two fractions is, okay children, see, the numerator of two fractions are less than the denominator. Okay, here 3 is less than 8 and 2 is less than 5. Next, in PEP 10.6, the numerator is dash than the denominator. Okay, it is less than or greater than, children? Less. Okay, so this is proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Okay, a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Next, each fruit is cut into an equal number of pieces in the table. Write the number of pieces you would like to take of each fruit. Represent it as a fraction. Remember, you cannot take all the pieces. Okay, here given, no children, total number of pieces here given. In that, how many you want to take here, write and write the fraction. Okay children, how many equal pieces are here? 10. So in that I want to take 5 pieces. Okay, in that I want to take 5 pieces. Now write fraction, children. So how we have to write fraction? 10 by 5 or 5 by 10? Yes. So total number of pieces 10. So in that I want to take 5 pieces. So it's 5 by 10. So here 3. I want to take 3 pieces. So how we have to write? 3 by 6. Okay, like that you have to complete, children. Okay. So proper fractions are always less than the whole. Okay, always less than the whole means, so here always the numerator is less than, children. Okay. Complete remaining two. Next page. There are 5 members in Reena's family. Each member ate half a guava. So 5 halves have been eaten. So the total fraction of guavas eaten is, okay children, so totally how many members in family? 5 members. So in that each one ate half guava. So means 5 members. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus, like that 5 times. So 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5 by 2. So we can write 5 halves as 5 by 2. Okay children. Now here in 5 by 2, so here the numerator shows the number of parts eaten and the denominator shows number of parts the whole is divided into. Okay, here in Reena's family each one ate half a guava, means the guava cut into 2 parts, no children. So here these two shows the number of parts the whole is divided into. Okay, here it is whole and here the whole means here the guava is divided into 2 parts now. So now the numerator is dash than the denominator. So check numerator, children. Here numerator is less than or greater than? Yes, here the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Okay, a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. In proper, numerator is smaller. In improper, here numerator is greater. Okay children. Improper fractions are always greater than the whole, means always greater than the whole. Now let us find out how many whole guavas Reena's family has eaten by combining the halves. Okay children, now we have to find total how many whole guavas eaten by Rena's family. So how we have to find? So you have to combine the halves, will get how many wholes, no children? So total 5 halves, no. So 2 halves is one guava and 2 halves is one guava and another half. So therefore Rena's family has eaten 2.5 guavas. Okay, Rena's family has eaten 2.5 guavas. So this can also be written as 2 halves. Okay, we are saying like that, no children. 2 guavas and half guava. No? So we can represent it as 2.5. This is called a mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, this is called mixed fraction or mixed number. So mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number. Here 2 is whole number and 1 by 2 is there, no children. It is proper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Now, mixed fractions are another way of representing improper fraction. Okay, so now here say children, color the following fraction and circle the improper fractions. 9 by 5. Okay, here what the 5 shows? And check children first what it is. It is proper or improper? 9 by 5. So numerator is greater. No, so it is improper fraction. So circle children, it is improper. Now here you have to color. How we have to color? 9 by 5. So 9 means number of parts you have to color and 5 means each part, each shape divided into. Okay, here each shape divided into 5 parts. Now how many you have to color? 9 parts you have to color children. Okay, so 9 parts means this is fine. We have to color this totally and 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you have to color 9 parts. Next 3 by 2. So how many you have to color? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Next 10 by 3. You have to color 10 parts children. So means it is 3, 6, 9. You have to color these 3 and you have to color one more part like this. Okay. Next 3 by 4. So means here you have to color only these 3 parts. Okay children, after that you have to circle what are the improper fractions you have to identify and circle. Okay children, this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.